Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, we are going to start a new topic of our English grammar, that is voice, active and passive. Firstly, we will have its definition. In grammar, the voice of a verb describes its relationship with the subject, object, or any other element in a sentence. ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੌਇਸ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਦਾ, ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟਸ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹੈ। The verb can be in the active voice or in the passive voice. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵਰਬ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਐਕਟਿਵ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਪੈਸਿਵ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਆ। When the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. ਜਦੋਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਪਰਫੋਰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਕਟਿਵ ਵੌਇਸ। When the subject is the receiver of the action, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. ਜਦੋਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਸੀਵ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਵਕਤ ਤੇ ਵਰਬ ਪੈਸਿਵ ਵੌਇਸ ਕਹਿਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ। Let's have an example. Arushi teaches Rahul. ਆਰੂਸ਼ੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਰਾਹੁਲ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ। Here, Arushi is subject, teaches is verb, and Rahul is object. Subject means who is doing the action, and object means who is receiving the action, and verb tells us which action is being performed in the sentence. Let's change this example into the passive sentence. Arushi is our subject, teaches is verb, and Rahul is object. Now we will take this receiver of the action to our subject, that is Rahul. Here Rahul becomes subject. Being means we need to add some helping verb here according to the subject. If the subject is singular, we have to add a singular helping verb. So here we add is because here in the active sentence we have verbs first form plus es. That is rules of present tense. So we will use helping verb of present tense that are is, am, are. According to Rahul, we will use is here because he is singular. And then we use part participle of verb, that is third form of verb. Teach is the first form of verb. Teach, taught, taught. So third form is taught. Then we add by here and then Arushi, that is subject in the active sentence. Here she is the receiver of action, so Arushi will be our object here. Let's repeat this. Arushi teaches Rahul. So Rahul will come on the first place because he is subject here in the passive voice. Then we will add helping verb. Then third form of verb. Then by, and after that the subject of active voice. I hope you understand. In passive form, our transitive verb is made up of the verb be with the past participle. Here be is being replaced by is. Usually the preposition by introduce the passive object in a sentence. which means every passive sentence, every passive voice has by. That shows that this sentence is a passive voice. ਸੋ ਵੌਇਸ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਪੈਸਿਵ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਮਨਲੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਬਾਈ. Remember this, the object of the active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb, which means we have sentences like subject plus verb plus object in a active sentence. But in a passive sentence, we will have object plus helping verb plus third form of verb plus by plus our subject of active sentence. Let's have another example. A doctor prescribes medicine. A doctor is subject here, prescribes verb and medicine object. In a passive sentence, medicine will come on the first place, that's medicine. The अब ये प्लूरल में है तो हम लगाएंगे यहाँ पर आर. मेडिसिन्स आर प्रेस्क्राइब द थर्ड फॉर्म प्रेस्क्राइब्ड. उस तो बाद बाय विच इज़ preposition used in every passive voice. Then a doctor. A doctor prescribes medicine. This is active verb, and in passive verb we will use medicines are prescribed by a doctor. Let's have present tense. Present simple tense is passive. In present tense we have helping verbs like is, am, are. And in passive verbs we use third form of the verb. According to the passive verb we will use helping verb. If the verb is singular we will use singular helping verb. If the verb is plural then we will use plural helping verb. For example, she writes a book. She is subject, writes verb and book object. A book, this is singular, is written by her. A book is written by her. So you have to remember these rules for simple present. Let's have present continuous. Present continuous, that is shown by ing. Ing shows us the progress of the action. So ing is being replaced by being in a passive verb, and same as the present simple, the helping verb according to the subject of the passive verb. Passive verb ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ subject ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਸ accordingly ਅਸੀਂ helping verb ਨੂੰ use ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. Let's have example. She is writing a book. She is subject and writing is verb the first form plus ing. A book is object. So object will come on the first place, a book, and a book is singular so we will use is. A book is, and this ing will be here being, and verb the first form will be verb the third form. By she will be changed into her. I hope you guys understand. She is writing a book is being written by her. Next is present perfect. Present perfect tense passive ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ use ਕਰਾਂਗੇ being plus third form of verb. Rahul has published my novel. So my novel will come on first place. This will be followed by has. After that we will add been. Then third form of the verb. After that, by and then Rahul, which is subject in the active voice and object in the passive voice. So I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.